Now, this part is something many first-timer don't prepare for, and yet it's the most important. When you're on board for months, it's not the work that challenge you. It's the quiet moments. The homesickness, the long nights when you miss the people you love. That's why you should bring something that reminds you of home. A photo of your family, a rosary from your mom, a letter from your partner, even a small keychain from your kids. These little things carry a weight that keeps you grounded when life at sea gets heavy. And if you have a wife, a husband, or a children waiting for you, this message is for you. Never forget why you came on board. You're not working for your own dreams. You're working for theirs. Every overtime, every rough sea, every holiday you miss, you're doing it so your family can have a better life. And when loneliness hits, when temptation on board appear, remember, a moment of weakness can destroy years of trust. I've seen crew members lose everything. Their family, their marriage, their dignity, because they forgot why they were there. Don't let that be you. Stay loyal, stay focused, stay disciplined. Your family deserves that. You deserve that. Keep something in your cabin that reminds you of them. Read a letter from your partner before bed. Look at your kid's photo every morning before work. Let those reminders be your strength when your heart feels weak. Because the strongest seafarers aren't the ones who lift the heaviest boxes. They are the ones who carry the weight of their family, future, and never drop it. And trust me, when your contract ends and you step off that gangway, when you see your family waiting, when your child runs to you, you will be proud that you stayed faithful, you stayed focused, you stayed true. That is the real heart of a seafarer.